wow, you're so cheap. You have no idea. Baked onto the aluminum.
Yeah. You can roll it against the wood.
Let me try and cut it again.
It works.
Maybe that pink.
Where'd you set it?
This is where I stab myself.
You're gonna try to slide that sleeve off?
Yeah, I'm trying to save it for spacing. If it doesn't grow too much. Taking it off.
I thought you would leave it stuck on there and then just cut out the center.
You know, that probably would have made more sense. And you know what, we can still do that because that's stuck. Let's do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out this O-ring shape. And leave that sleeve in the middle. Now, a little more aggressive with this one, right?
Yeah, see, if it was a left-handed one, you wouldn't have gotten hurt.
Oh, you're right. So true. Amazon. Yeah, it's baked on there, but I think that's it.
And there's another hand to cut it. Taking the loss, yeah.
Taking a loss, yeah.
Hey man, if it works, it works.
Saves me like 20 bucks. Well. 20 bucks, 20 bucks. Well, it's not as clean as I was hoping.
Yeah, but you just need the exterior of the O-ring to seal pretty good, and then that automatically should seal the inside.
Okay, maybe. It's pretty neat when people do those videos like that. You know, they time, like they snap, and it's done. There's no snapping.
Is the second side or the first side?
First side. Now I know what to do. What do you think about that? And that's where the
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it'll fit there. Let me see.
The right size O-ring, it should seal it up.
Yeah, one against this edge, and then one inside there. Yeah.
So we'll take this guy completely off like that, and then dig out that O-ring. Leave this one stuck onto the pipe.
Right.
It's cooked on there pretty good.
Dude, them bugs in my ears are making me nuts.
Scrape it off.
You already cut the edges, right?
Yeah, I cut the perimeter, but it's just stuck on the pipe. I don't. Maybe that's adhesive. Maybe, or just heat, old.
It's probably vulcanized around the metal. Injected, maybe.
Yeah. Guess it'd be hard to put that sleeve on. Probably clean that up later in post-production. Okay, so now cutting right here, which would be the O-ring start and the outside O-ring. So. What would a real mechanic, like motorcycle mechanic, say?
What would you say?
Don't quit your day job. No, like
Hey, that's why we all liked MacGyver as a kid. He made things work.
forgot the bubble gum. Bubble gum toothpicks.
And the silver coins. Where you can weld.
With welding?
Yeah.
Okay, that should be. Ooh, that should be cut.
You cut a thread or a spiral. Keep leaking, yeah.
You're right, I need that 10. Hit it. Right, here you go.
Quit moving. You better get a good shot. That's how you poke yourself.
Yeah. I'll use my thumb as a cutting board. The easier way. Yeah, buy the board.
Buy one. Spend the $20. Yeah, but you want it running tonight.
Yeah, kids. If you want something right now, just do it right now. Who's that guy that said, don't make it, is it Freiburger? Don't make it right, just make it run? Something like that?
I don't know. Sounds all right.
If you need to run, just get it to run. Oh yeah, okay, that's pretty good. Just clean it up. If this video does get posted, you can hear it. It's gonna leak. It's gonna leak.
Maybe. Maybe not.
And if it does, you'll never know because I won't post it. Naysayers.
That'll be fine. It's gonna work.
Yeah, so what's happening, I just saw it pumping itself out of fuel. It'd run and idle because it has the pump on it, but it just kept dropping fuel. It's coming between, I guess, carb 3 and 4. But yeah, we got it open, so here we go.
Well, let's see if they fit.
Let's stick some more weeks on it.
These guys, right?
Ooh, and one moved. It's okay, it's okay.
Gonna work.
Put it in my nuggets.
Put it in my nuggets.
Look at that. Boom, bam, pow. How about that?
There you go. Yeah, okay, next one. Next one's a good side, right?
Good side. This should roll right over because its sleeve is not loose.
Man. Oh, hold on. Focus right there. Oh, I need to get in the light. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. What's wrong with that?
Okay. Just for grains, we can put some assembly lube on it.
Yeah, make sure it slides in there. And this is just a hose in?
Yeah, that's where the fuel input is. So, pow, pow. Okay, this guy goes right here. Remember Owen Wilson?
Mm.
The occasion. They're all too, right?
I need to stop looking and start filming. I'm interested too.
So right here. Oh, it kind of slipped out there, didn't it? Sure did.
Small one? The next small one?
Well, the other side's went in.
The one that we didn't probably was sleep maybe?
Probably. Yeah. Okay, I think it's getting there. I think it's getting there. There it is. Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
This one needs to go over some.
Can you pivot?
Oh, there it is.
Yeah?
Yeah. Now this. Whoa. These gotta come back together.
You got this guy here. Oh, your last
Yeah,
cover.
yeah. This one needs to be. Oh no! Look at that. The O-ring's out right there. Maybe it needs to be the next size. Smaller. You have next size smaller?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Yeah, that looks like it.
You would keep the big ones on the outside, the inside?
Did the outside did they slide in?
No.
They
No.
well, just
Replace it.
I mean it looks like that might be it because the ridge wasn't too tall on there.
The original?
Whereas there you go.
Okay, hold up a second. Which one is it?
Okay. No, wait a minute. I may have given you ones that were too big. Yeah, I just grabbed in here, but look at that. Those are big.
This was the one that was too big, right? This is a too big size.
See, this is bigger.
So we need these right there. Those ones. Those too big. We need these size.
Okay. Put it back. Here's this one. More of that guy.
Yep. Okay. I think that's it. The ridge is so small.
Yeah, yep. That's what it looked like on the when it was original.
Yeah, that was a bad idea. Get that sleeve loose.
Oh, it's sliding over with it.
Yes. What's that thing? Should do it right.
Yeah, buddy. Put some green junkie. It's not compatible with O-rings.
Well, at least we know how to do it now.
It'll be something. I'm just gonna fall back into place now.
Oh yeah. Nice. That was it. That was it.
Does it feel like it engaged though?
Yeah. Yep, perfect. Okay, so there's something about this has to join up a little better. I'm not sure how that works.
Well, with the screw plates, no? The screw plates would determine the spacing?
Yes.
Because there's no adjustment in the screw plates.
So we got this one, right? Boom. Nice.
Probably that.
No, tube.
Get the tube.
Oh. Hung it up on the floor. That's how we do things. Just in case. Oh, it's so messy. Yes. Yes, it is. Okay, so. And this choke lever has to get engaged. Sleeve. I'm sure there's an easier way to do that. Probably. Like so. Right?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see.
It's getting stuck on something.
Yeah. Oh, this tube's not right.
That tube looks a little bit.
I think that was it. Yeah. Something's not engaging right.
This other tube's not engaging also. This other tube is O-ring sticking out. Oh, this guy over here.
Yeah. Needs to pinch up a little more, right? Or is it too far to one side?
Well, you would think it'd have a stop of sorts.
See, this is not going forward. I should have paid attention to where these things were.
Would this go on top? No.
I forget, I should have taken a picture.
What are these?
Nice, nice. And the last O-ring is right on the edge on, I guess. That's how it goes.
Let's look it over again. That looks okay.
Yeah, there's a little indents for the set screws.
Mm-hmm.
But that's just for the choker, so we should be okay there.
Can you look back at this too? Back here, look at this back one. Is it engaged? Is it fully engaged? At aluminum piece? It did now?
Yep. I felt a lump.
With it pop in there?
Except I think these should have been on the south side. That's okay, that can be.
It should have been which way? Facing this way?
Down. These are the overflows.
Can you take, oh.
With that. With that one. We're in here, we're in here. Flip this around. Oops. That's it.
Good?
Yep. There's it. Boom.
Boom, bam, pow.
Yep. 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 Okay. Yeah.
Carefully.
Just gotta go this way. There's the little ones with the watch us.
There's one of them that didn't have a washer on it.
I think it was on the bigger one, maybe. Yeah, the bigger. Look at another washers. These have little flange head, I guess.
Nice.
So far, so good. It kind of went back in place.
You pipe them in and they leak. All of them leak.
Ooh. And no one would ever know. How many videos do you, or parts do you cut out?
No, sometimes I'll cut out like screwing these, or I just show little clips of a lot of editing though. People don't want to see grinding all day, you know. Or maybe just leave it full length. Hey, cross thread is better than Loctite. That was the same one, huh?
Yeah, that messed up. Slots.
Are you tightening them all, or?
No, I'm gonna get them snug, and
Yeah.
I'll get the other bar on.
Right.
Make sure they all
Line up. I mean, it doesn't look like there's much room for slop, so I mean, they look like they'd be pretty accurate.
Alright, yeah. That was the concern. I guess it's got the witness marks here.
Yeah. Can't go wrong that way.
I don't. No, a lot of them didn't have washers.
Overrated.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at it all lined up. See, not bad. You're already at a 24-minute video.
Mm-hmm.
Just from there.
Easy peasy. I guess it'd be good to have like a body cam or something, but
It's hard to see. Who was it? Garley. He had a halo kind of around his neck, and he had a little mount that you had the camera right in front of your chin.
yeah.
And his hands work in front like that. want to try one of the cameras he's got. Let's get one of those. What is it? Action or Osmo? I forget. I'll take a picture of it.
Picasso? Queso?
I don't know. Rico Queso. Kasich. Nobody knows who that is. You remember who that is? Rico Kasich.
Rick Ocasek?
Yeah.
The wrestler?
No.
No.
The singer from the Cars.
Oh, no.
Tall, skinny, ugly guy.
Yeah. I was thinking Von Erichs, but...
No, Von Erichs. That's even an older name. Dude, I should have bought that poster of them at that antique.
Mm-hmm. The Von Erichs?
Yeah, they're in Wembley.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay. No?
Yeah, man, it's... Use your good hand.
Yeah. He was a lefty, too.
Zurdo. Right? Left-handed.
Is that what it is? I thought that was something. Sword. Oh, I'm thinking
That's
something else.
deaf.
Yeah. Sur, south. Sur. Oh.
I don't know.
Okay. Now, choke. I believe
They didn't hardly move.
there's an indent form. So they kind of go back in place. Maybe I didn't have to loosen it or nothing, but it did.
What were they pivoting on? They were pivoting on the choke. Weren't they?
What's that?
On the choke shaft. As we pull them apart.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
I think this one has a spring on it, but it should have. Chokes are sitting. They have an indent so that when you pull on the choke,
Oh, nice.
they don't move. Now, what I should have done was taken the gas tank off to put it back together easier. But
Why would you do that?
it's like I should have bought the kits for it. Yeah. Okay. Trick is the accelerator cable. And for my next trick,
Where's the camera? Oh, it's at the bottom.
take off will be so much easier.
I'm gonna start it with bad gas. But if it runs, runs. If it's not leaking, it's not leaking.
That's right. No,
Then you can deal with the bad gas.
worry about that later.
But how about if you leak out the bad gas? That would have been great.
Oh, should have thought of that. Okay, how about connect?
How about no? How about no?
How about no? Zip. Closer. Should probably take a clamp on that hose, but I don't have one.
Gravity fed. And that's what was leaking all the time.
Nice.
Hose clamp.
All you have to do is cut the hose back.
Here.
Okay. Here we go.
There you go. On this side. I guess all sides, huh?
Yep. Where's the side? Screwdrivers. If it leaks, then I can make a video.
Sure. You want that to do. Okay, don't do that. Go ahead and spend the 20 bucks.
Yeah. I'll wait till I get the parts and put it all together.
Ah, come on. Need to make a video for all the haters, for them to comment, and then you get all the positive guys after you. Ta-da! Get all the hate comments out of the way in the first video if it didn't work.
At the end, you tell them, just kidding. What we're gonna do is. Should be almost there.
Throttle on?
Uh,
Yeah. Feels good. All right, take a little bit for the fuel bowls. Fill them.
yeah, I got a prime on here, which just lets it gravity feed, which I can do right now.
Gravity. Oh yeah, I see the fuel.
At last.
You got a dead battery. No kickstart. Oh, kickstart. What do you need on crash? Shocks? Seat?
Seats for sure. Everything else, I mean, it seems to be pretty good right now. It's just uncomfortable.
Springs? A spring seat, maybe?
Spring seat of some sort.
Yeah.
Tires, they're very dry.
They're shiny.
17 models.
Rough them up with a grinder. 40 grit.
Hey, yeah, I can take out my chicken strips.
Take out the chicken strip.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Shiny. Those chicken strips are shiny. Even. Shoo.
We can take care of that. Okay, that's that.
Feel pretty tight? Yeah, it looks real good. Looks good, I guess.
So I'll go back to on, which is the pumping side of it.
Say neutral. Takes off.
Yeah. That light. Done.
Almost. Oh, it's not leaking fuel.
Yeah. They were dripping right about here. Sweet.
Nice.
Save 20 bucks.
Save you a bunch of money in car insurance. You can save that money for your car insurance, your bike insurance.
Yes.
Right on. So what did we learn today?
Spend the money.
Spend the money.
Just buy it. No, it's good. If you can tinker, if you can mess around, why not?
Yeah, for sure.
Metric bike. Metric O-rings.
Yeah, you got to. Yeah, there's no cheating that one.
Yeah, just got to get them. So, yep.
And it's exciting.
Now I can ride them again.
Now you got 3 bikes to ride.
Yes. 4.
All right, what are you going to say? How are you going to close this?
Thanks for watching. If I can do it, you can do it.
If I can do it, anyone
If
can.
I can screw it up, you can too.
All right, see you guys.